So let's review the methods that we have to remove items in the array. In the previous video we saw, for example, push, unshift, and also splice. In these methods you can add elements to the array, and also you can remove elements into the array. If you are building a shopping cart, using an array you can use the same methods to add or remove items into the shopping cart. So I'm going to comment this line, and I'm going to move this to the top. So we can see the array and the new functions right here. We're gonna keep this here on the bottom. So for example, you have array pop, remove element from the end, and you can use, for example, months dot pop. So save this. And now you can see we have remove the last item, which is, in this case, is going to be June. You can also remove element from the beginning, and it's going to be months dot shift. And this is going to remove January from the array. So here on the bottom we have a splice. Splice will add a new item, but also it's the same function that you will use to remove elements from the array. I'm gonna comment these lines. So we're gonna remove from the middle of the array, and we're gonna use a splice. So you pass, for example, the name of the array, months dot splice, and save this. And let's say, for example, the splice will take 3 different parameters. So for example, the first one is the position that you want to remove or you want to add. In the previous example, we added a new element, but you can use also this function to remove anything. So let's remove this number 3, April. So you're gonna pass the position 3, and then the second argument. In the previous example, we added a new element, and we pass the null, the second argument as null. This is how many items you want to remove. In the previous example, we didn't remove anything. We add a new item. But if you want to remove, for example, you want to remove April, you can add 1. If you add 2, in this case, it's going to remove April and May. If you add a number 3, it's going to remove April, May, and June. So this is how many items you want to remove. In this case, I want to remove only 1. If you pass a third argument, then it's going to add a new element into the array, as we did here. In this case, we only want to remove this from the array. So save this and open this again, and now you can see that we remove April